Guys, BTCC platform is actually doing something that you need to know. You gotta check this one out. I am not a professional advisor, and this video is purely for educational and informational purposes only. So let's get it on. All right, guys, so this is the landing page of BTCC. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Right out the bat, you already have some announcement right there. The on-chain summer deposit festival, limited time, you have summer referral and all that. I would suggest make sure to go ahead and check this one out. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Click on it. It will take you directly here. Okay. Now, guys, BTCC is a cryptocurrency trading platform that is actually established a long time ago. And we're talking about 2011. And that gives it a dominating 15 years of operating history. And guys, according to BTCC's platform, which I did, research on, they have actually they have more than 12 million users across more than 100 countries worldwide. And the reports on hacks, 0. And that speaks with the credibility and the security of this platform. And that is a good one, because for me, if I'm going to be choosing the exchange or the platform that I will be using for my trades, I gotta make sure that I am 100% safe and their security is top notch, right? So BTCC also has appeared among CoinMarketCap's top 20 derivatives exchanges, and their derivatives is here. Okay, so you have USDTM perpetual futures, you have CoinM perpetual futures. So if you click on that, so for the future traders out there, you could go ahead and explore this one. They have a lot, and I'm talking a lot of different pairs that you could, go ahead and check. And of course, they also have stocks and commodities right there. Okay, you have, let me see, you have memes, of course, Sol ecosystem. So, I mean, this one is actually good because for some exchanges out there, they just have like your favorites and then all, that's it, right? So for this one, they have other like filters per se, right? So going back here, guys, okay. Now you have a lot of different stuff. Of course, what I would like to stress on right here, guys, is their copy trading. Okay, where's that? Copy trading. Let me go back here so that I could show you this right here. Okay, so this is the FAQ section. Of course, it is available in their website, but I will link it in the description. You can click on it. It will take you directly here. Now you have a lot of stuff in here that you could review. Okay, beginner's guide to BTCC futures copy trading, lead trader behavior playbook, why did my copy trade order fail, and all that. So if you click on it, of course, it's gonna take you here, and it has screenshots, which I love because it will make it easier for you to follow. All right, now guys, for this, users could actually browse available traders, apply filters based on their preferences. Okay, so let me show that to you right now. Okay, hold on. Copy futures, copy trading. Okay, now here you see, right, those are the lead traders per se, or the experienced traders that you could choose from. Okay, then there are tons of like traders in there. And that is good because you also have a lot of different information here in their like cards, if I would say, Okay, so you have number of days that they're trading, 764 days already. So that's more than what? More than 2 years. Wow. I guess it's almost 3 years already. So you have the ratios as well. Lead trading performance, you have the crypto preferences and all that, trading volume, it's also available in there. So guys, risk control, of course, remains an important part of the process, but that is the reason why BTCC actually included the stop loss for the trades, right? So that you would be able to, of course, do stop losses for trades and minimize the losses just in case. Hopefully you don't get, huge losses, but when you're doing trades, it's normal. You win, you lose, but what really matters the most is basically the wins that you have is more than the losses that you incurred. So BTCC also currently lists a campaign for new copy traders, which it offers 50 USDT in trading funds. And guys, you actually will be able to see it, you know, the campaigns that they are running. Okay, you would be able to see that in there. And of course, you also have, let me close that down. So in here, okay, the more. Okay, so you have the hub, you have the news, you have the academy, okay, support center, live chat, BTCC community chat, security, global partnerships, announcements. Here you have the announcements, of course. Okay, and you also have the benefits right here, exclusive to new traders. Hot, look at that. So you could get rewards in there as well. And you know, 100% covered for starter. This is excellent because I mean, for people that are starting out, of course, you want to make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into. So first futures trade is 100% covered. Enjoy 100% loss coverage on your first trade. That is excellent. Up to $50, 50 USDT. All right. So those that are interested, guys, in exploring BTCC copy trading, you could use the referral code BTCC 2049 or 2049 when you sign up. It's going to be available in the description of the video. Eligible users could access a 10% deposit bonus and the first copy trade loss coverage campaign, as well as you could check the eligibility for the welcome rewards that is advertised at up to 30,000 USDT. Campaign requirements, eligibility, conditions, and official terms should always be reviewed when you are going to be participating. That way you would know. Okay, so terms and conditions apply. And of course, again, make sure to always do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. And if you are new with the channel, make sure to consider subscribing. That way you'll always be updated when I upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.